3D printing has become a part of our daily life, and the Mixware HyperS 3D printer is launched to keep you innovating through varieties of materials. It is very smart and easy to operate, which can provide you with excellent visual printing effects and high-strength, high-temperature resistant nylon plastic from mechanical testing. HyperS features a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, user-friendly interactive UI, self-test mode, and semi-automated debugging mode, high-performance M4 core processor, and noiseless driver. In addition, HyperS employs a sophisticated linear guide and easily removable print platform. To eliminate user anxiety about filament anomalies, the right side comes with a sophisticated filament detection device for more accurate automatic leveling. There is a probe leveling device under the nozzle with a unique Mixware compression switch. Thanks to the lightweight design of integrated excellent extrusion and nozzle, it can easily print ordinary PLA materials, flexible TPU material, wear and heat-resistant materials, engineering plastics like nylon carbon fiber, and nylon glass fiber. With the help of the filament dryer, you can print these materials more easily and freely. You can also use HyperS to create a sports brace with nylon carbon fiber printed support and a lightweight TPU printed armrests, which is strong enough to support an adult. With design-guided carabiner in the base, you can install and boot up HyperS in only 10 minutes.